Hi there. So today, we will discuss the use of shortcodes in Blogger templates. Make sure that these shortcodes will work only in premium templates, not in free versions. Every instruction has been provided here in this documentation page. Before using the shortcodes documentation, make sure that you have opened your template documentation, just like we have opened for Diver. Then click on the right sidebar shortcode link, and you will land on the original shortcodes page, where instructions are available to use these features. This is a Blogger post dashboard, where we will use shortcodes. Let me clarify that these are the large text, which is known as heading, H2 and H3 tags respectively, and can apply them before using the table of contents. It's easy and fast. As you can see, I apply the H2 tag here in this line. So, this is the main shortcode for the table of contents. Copy or type it manually as you want. Then make it strike mark as instructed in the documentation. Click Save and View Post. And you can see that the table of contents is live. Now, let's use another table of contents shortcode, where we can customize the title. Make sure that you have applied heading tags like H2 and H3. Now, adding drop caps is easy with this shortcode. Just copy and paste or type it manually and make it a strike through. And here you can see it's working. Let's see how to use multiple types of buttons with the help of shortcodes. So this is a normal shortcode button code. Copy and paste it. Add your destination link when the user clicks on your button so that they can land on your preferred location. You can easily make your button at the center of the article by clicking on the center alignment option. You can also use a large button by using this shortcode. Copy and paste, add your destination link, and it's done. Now, let's use icons inside the button like Demo, Download, Cart, Share, Info, and Buy easily with the help of shortcodes. As I can see, the Demo button has been added. Now, let's add the Download button icon. Just copy the download text, paste it inside the icon and save. And here is the download icon. Let's use the cart icon and save. And here is the cart icon. We can also change the colors of the button with the help of color options, just like I have added red color and icon code. You can get multiple colors. Click on Get Color Code and use your favorite color that you want to put on your button. Just copy the color code and paste it into the shortcode. Here I have used the green color code. So let's make to center buttons Download and Demo text. Just copy each shortcode one by one, change the text according to your requirement, and put the destination link. Then add the second shortcode and use text and links, and click Save. You can choose your favorite color from the color code generator. As you can see, to buttons have been added successfully. Now, let's make them center. To make the buttons at the center, use the center alignment in the top menu bar. Now we will use the Contact Us form with this shortcode. Please copy and paste it into your desired contact page. And here is the Contact Us form. Let's make the sidebar on the left side with this shortcode. Copy and paste, click Save. As you can see, the sidebar is on the left side. You can even make a full page with the help of these shortcodes. Copy and paste, click Save. As you can see, the article is full width without a sidebar. We can also create multiple alert messages with the help of these shortcodes. Copy the shortcode and paste it at the end of the paragraph. Select the section and make it a blockquote. And here is the alert success message highlighted box. Let's change multiple types of alert message boxes. It's easy and simple to apply to make various types of alert messages. You can copy one by one each alert message shortcode and add it to the end of the paragraph inside the brackets. Last but not least, many users face problems where shortcodes are not working. Make sure that your article is free from duplicate HTML tags, which can cause problems. To fix this, you have to use the text formatting option. Just select the paragraph where you are using the shortcode, then make it text formatting. Is there any junk data that causes any problems? It's simple and easy. Also, some of the older themes use shortcode version 1.0.0. Hence, you should visit the template documentation and click on the right sidebar shortcode link, as shown here. Everything is almost the same on the older shortcode versions, just like the table of contents shortcodes and other shortcodes. The main changes are the main buttons that use different old-style shortcodes that you can apply with the help of these shortcodes. Copy and paste, then insert your link, and make sure to strike out the older version shortcodes. And done. Here is the button added successfully. You can also use medium and large button sizes, respectively. You can also change the icons of buttons, but make sure to change the button text. As you can see, I have changed the icons of the buttons. The remaining shortcodes are the same as the Contact Us form and alert messages we have explained earlier. Subscribe to our channel for more tips.